In this video, I will show you how to check your iPhone's country or region of origin using the model code. This is very useful because it helps you understand which market your iPhone was made for, and sometimes it can explain small differences like warranty rules or certain features in your origin. So let's do it step by step. First, open your iPhone settings. Now tap on General, then tap on About. After you open About, you will see a page full of information about your iPhone like the name, software version and model details. This is important because the model number includes a origin code that tells us the iPhone's intended country or region. Once you find model number, focus on the last part of it. You will see one or two letters right before the slash. For example, you might see something like a slash. When you spot those one or two letters, that means you have successfully found the code and you are ready to check what country or region it matches. Now I'm gonna show you a full list of region codes on the screen. Just pause the video and match your one or two letter code to the list. Once you match it, you will know the country or region of origin for your iPhone. And that's it. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe if you want more simple iPhone tips and tricks like this one. And thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Till then, take care. Goodbye.